One of the most common objections you'll hear from a customer is, "This is over my budget." It might sound like the conversation is ending, but it's not. It doesn't mean they're walking away. It usually means, "Help me justify this," or "Show me another way." This is your chance to build trust, refocus the conversation on value, and keep things moving forward. Instead of rushing to lower the price, let AI help you respond in a way that acknowledges their concern, while still aiming to close the deal. Now try this prompt. Act as a professional sales manager. A customer says, "This is over my budget." Give me a few ways to respond that are empathetic, value-focused, and gently move the conversation toward a decision. In seconds, AI will suggest responses that validate the concern, show you're listening, and offer helpful options, like adjusting financing, exploring lower trims, or emphasizing long-term value. If needed, you can also ask AI to adjust the tone with a prompt like, "Give me 3 tone variations: reassuring, confident, and conversational." That way, you can match your message to the moment.
Use AI, sell more cars, drive the future, reach the stars. With a friend so smart, close at hand, selling dreams across the land.